Hi everyone. Very nice morning in Royce 5 Park. So today we'll speak something about coaching. Yeah, who is a coach? For me, coach starts with connection. A coach develops the connection with the coachee, and he brings the trust. And with a high level of trust environment, the coachee opens up, shares about his vision, about his dreams, desires, and through some quality conversations, fruitful conversations, and by asking some powerful questions, they come up with some actions, and then the coaching starts. Okay, so next lecture is O. O for opportunities. A coach builds the opportunities for the coachee to think out of box by asking some questions which brings the insights and an opportunity to build up new actions which will help the coachee to step by step strategically finish the task or finish the actions and reach the goal in a very effective and very efficiently. He can reach to the goal. So O for opportunities. Yeah. Okay. The next letter is A. A for autonomy. Here, coach gives the complete freedom to the coachee, and coachee drives the coaching conversation. It is completely the coach's agenda. So, but the coach ensures that it is going in the right direction. So if the coachee reaches to a junction, a coach supports him, helps him to take the right direction. So A for autonomy. And the next C goes for compassion. Here, coachee gives respect to the coach's feelings, his emotions, and listens to him. And with that 100% listening mode, they comes up with an action. So coach gives complete freedom and respect to the coachee for whatever things he wants to achieve, and the whole intention of the coach is the coachee's success, coachee's achievement. So in that compassionate contentment space, the coaching works. And H. H stands for holistic. So coaching is a complete process. It is not just achieving certain goals or targets. It's a complete life transformation process where the coach's perspective of looking at the things shifts, changes. So it's a new life. So H stands for holistic. So finally, coaching is a process where coach makes connection to bring opportunities for the coaches, giving complete autonomy, but in the space of compassion and contentment. And through that holistic process called coaching, then the real magic happens. The life gets transformed.